Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches. These tactile switches are designed for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts who crave a satisfying typing experience without breaking the bank. Gateron has made some interesting choices with the Baby Kangaroo 2.0. Unlike the original Baby Kangaroos, these boast a heavier 59 GF operating force. This means you'll encounter a more pronounced tactile bump with each key press, offering distinct and smooth feedback. The construction is also noteworthy. Gateron has used their G Pro 3.0 upper housings, maintaining the condenser light effect structure. However, they've upgraded the light guide pole surface with a textured finish. The result? More even and consistent RGB LED illumination. If you're into vibrant keyboard lighting, these switches will definitely deliver. These switches are SMD LED compatible and feature a transparent upper housing paired with a milky white bottom housing. The 5-pin structure ensures a secure and reliable connection to your keyboard. Compatibility shouldn't be an issue, as these switches are designed to fit most MX mechanical keyboards. Durability is always a key consideration, and Gateron claims an approximate lifespan of 80 million keystrokes based on laboratory testing. That's a lot of typing. Each package includes 105 switches, providing enough for most standard keyboard layouts. Let's talk specs. The operating force is 59 plus or minus 8 GF, with a pre-travel of 2.0 plus or minus 0.5 mm and a total travel of 3.4 millimeters max. The stem is made of POM. The top housing is PC, and the bottom housing is nylon. The spring is a 22 millimeters dual-stage gold-plated spring. They are pre-lubed from the factory, which contributes to their smoothness. So what's the verdict? The Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches offer a compelling combination of tactile feedback, smooth operation, and vibrant RGB lighting. The heavier operating force might not be for everyone, but if you prefer a more pronounced bump, these are definitely worth considering. The pre-lubrication ensures a smooth typing experience right out of the box, and the durable construction promises a long lifespan. If you're looking for a tactile switch that offers both performance and aesthetics, the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 is a strong contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.